Now let's see how we can represent a relation using a matrix. Okay, so I'm just going to say matrix representation. Okay, so let us assume that I have a set A which is having elements like A1, A2, A3, tick 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 till AN. Okay, or let's have it as AM. Okay, and I have another set B which has elements like B1, B2 till Bn. Okay, then I can represent a relation from A to B using a matrix MR. Okay, MR, which is a M into N matrix. Okay, and it has elements like this. Okay, it has Mij equal to 1 if Ai comma Bj is an element of R. Okay, and it has Mij equal to 0 if Ai comma Bj is not an element of R. Okay, so let us try this with an example. Okay, I am going to assume this same R1, okay, that I want to represent in a matrix. Okay, so let us have it. Let us paste it like this. Okay, and let us have our A as 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so my R1 is a A1 cross or A cross A matrix. Okay, it is from A to A. Now I am going to represent MR1 like this. Let us suppose this is MR1 and it is equal to, it is going to be what? It is going to be 3 into 3 matrix. Okay, so let us have a 3 into 3 matrix like this. I am going to write 1, 2, 3 over here, and I am going to write 1, 2, 3 over here. Okay, now M11, which basically says 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1 is not a part of this, therefore I am going to say this is 0. 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 is a part of R1, therefore I am going to say this is 1. 1 comma 3, again this is part of R1, therefore I am going to say this is 1. Then 2 comma 1, it is not part of R1. 2 comma 2, again not a part of R1. 2 comma 3 is a part of R1, therefore I am going to represent it by a 1. Okay, 3 comma 1, we do have 3 comma 1. Okay, 3 comma 2, we do not have 3 comma 2. And 3 comma 3, we do not have 3 comma 3 as well. So this is my matrix representation of my R1. Okay, let us take another example. Let us assume that A is equal to A comma B. Okay, and B is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, and let us assume I have a relation R2 which is from A to B and having elements like A comma 1, A comma 3, B comma 2 and B comma 3. Okay, so how are we going to represent R2 in a matrix? We are going to write MR2. It is what? It is 2 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so we are going to represent